Welcome back to the Creative Corner, your go-to channel for the latest in tech tools and tutorials. Today we are diving into one of the most realistic AI speech platforms out there, Fish Audio. Whether you are a content creator, a voice artist, or just curious about how advanced AI voice cloning has become, you are going to love this. Fish Audio recently launched its V1.6 control beta and it's already making waves. This tool offers AI voice cloning, a voice library, text-to-speech, and even speech-to-text features all in one place. Head over to the top right corner and click on Login. Here on the home page, you can see the main options: Discovery, Text-to-Speech, Voice Cloning, My Voice Library. First, I am clicking on the Discovery tab. As you can see, there are a lot of famous voices available here, ready to use. You will find voices of well-known public figures, actors, and influencers. Let's try one out. Here is a sample of Olive voice.
Okay, you guys literally need to see this new foundation brush I found. It's so incredibly soft and blends everything like butter. The best part.
And Donald Trump.
Folks, we're doing things nobody thought possible. The economy, tremendous numbers, absolutely tremendous. The fake news won't tell you this, but we're setting records like nobody's ever seen before. Believe me, nobody knows success like we do. Folks,
Let's try out the text-to-speech features. All you have to do is type or paste your text. Fish Audio recently launched its V1.6 control beta and it's already making waves. Now I'm clicking on Select Voice Model. Here you will find many well-known and popular voices. I'm going to choose Donald Trump voice for this demo. Clicks on Create Dot.
data science is a multidisciplinary field that uses statistics, algorithms, and technology to analyze and interpret complex data. It helps uncover patterns, make predictions, and guide decision-making in diverse industries, transforming raw data into meaningful insights.
Once the voice is generated, you have a couple of options. You can either download the voice file directly to your device or simply copy the link to share or use it else. Where now let's explore one of the most exciting features of Fish Audio voice cloning. Step 1, voice detail, and Step 2, uploading audio. First you will need to enter basic details like the voice name and visibility setting. You can make your voice public, unlisted, or private depending on who you want to share it. You can also upload a custom image to use as the voice model's cover. Just make sure it's under 1 megabyte. Next, we will move on the second step, uploading voice samples. This is where you provide a few clean recordings of your voice to train the AI. Now I am uploading a cover image for the voice. Clicks on Create. This will save your voice model so you can access it anytime in your voice library.
Click the settings icon in the top right corner. Here you can modify the volume levels, change the output device or enable advanced features. Select your preferred options and click Apply to save your changes.
And that's it. For today's video, we explored how to use Fish Audio clone voices and even generate speech with famous personalities. So is Fish Audio worth it? Absolutely, especially if you are looking for fast lifelike voiceovers without hiring a voice actor. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Creative Corner for more awesome tech tutorials. I will see you in the next video.